God's sake. This is just far too good. Like, it honestly is. But now I've left it in there. It's actual like ice cream. The only thing is that's like literally shredded wheat. I love the caramel. I actually love the caramel. The chocolate is actually pretty good too. I'm not gonna lie. Hard to eat with it though because it gets so cold. Get yourself down to Tesco's. Get one. I feel like when I first got it, I let it melt a bit. And that was better. So, hang on. Should I leave this? I might leave this a bit out for a minute. It's when it melts, that's the best bit. Wow. It's better than the... Do you remember the Cadbury's one I did? Definitely better. It's good. It is good. It's so rubbish. I'm going to leave this bit of chocolate because I know that Tommy did like that bit, but no one likes this. Are my kids even my kids? That's what I want to know. He's in there eating his own ice cream, not this one. But he can have that. No, forced to eat it by myself. What the helly? Definitely worth it.